Hey guys, today let's explore field groups in QlikView. Field groups can be of two types, right? One is a drill down group or it can be a cyclic group. Okay, so let's see what is a drill down group. So, drill down group can be used in case of dimensions like, let's say I want to drill down from a year to quarter and quarter to month, and then month to week, so and so, right? So I want to perform a drill down analysis going down in detail. So in such cases I can create a drill down group. Okay, so I'm just creating a bar chart over here. So we see an option to edit groups over here in the dimensions. So I'll create a new group. So I'm just going to name it as drill group. Okay, or we can call it as date hierarchy or date drill. Any meaningful name we can give. Okay, so you see two radio buttons, right? So whether it decides whether this group is a drill down or a cyclic. So first we'll start with the drill down. So I'm going to select the table and going to select the fields which I want to be part of this group. So I want my year, quarter, month, year, week. Okay, all these four fields to be part of this drill down group. So once I add all these fields, I can click on OK and create a group. Or if I want to rename any of these fields, I can use this label for these respective fields. Okay, we can give custom names as well. So now that I have selected all the fields and I've given the name for this group, I'll just go ahead and click. Okay, so now I'll add this drill down group as my dimension over here. Now let me go ahead and create my expression, which is nothing but sum of sales. I'll give a name for that, total sales. I'll also enable the data points. So let's go ahead and visualize it. So we could see a bar chart created with year as a dimension and the sales as my measure. But if you see an up arrow mark, right? So that represents or tells us it's a drill down group. Okay, so I can click on a particular year. The moment I click on a year, it will take me to the next level. So when I select 2016, it will take me to these quarters. Okay, you see now we are on the quarter level. So when I select any particular quarter, it will take me to the month. So under Q3, I have these 3 months. So in under this month, I have these weeks, right? So I can also click on this arrow mark and come up the layer, uh, or I can drill down further based on my selection. Okay, so this is how drill down group helps us. Okay, so let me take a copy of this. Let me quickly create a cyclic group. So I'll remove this and then I'll create a new group. This time it's going to be a cyclic group. Okay, I'll simply say dimensional group because cyclic group is useful when you want to cycle through multiple dimensions, right? See, I have this chart, bar chart. The expression is sales, but instead of seeing sales by year, let's say I might want to see it by category, right? Sales by category, or sales by product, or sales by supplier, any dimension. So instead of creating multiple charts uh, for the sake of changing the x-axis dimension alone, I can create a simple cyclic group here and I can make it as a single chart, right? So I can simply change my x-axis alone dynamically so that I don't have to create multiple copies of it, right? So in such cases, the cyclic groups will help us. Okay, so let's say category name, customer, or shipping company, supplier. Let's say if I want to rename this shipping company as shipper, I can do that over here. Okay, I think I pressed enter. Yes, so shipping company, shipper. If instead of category name, I can simply say category. So I can use this to provide labels for all this. So once I'm done with this, I can click on OK. So I've got this um, group created. Okay, now let me go ahead and add this to my existing bar chart. Okay, so now we could see in category, right? Instead of category name, it says category. It takes the label name which I have given. So now I could see the sales are shown by categories, right? Let me quickly sort this in a descending order. I will also enable dimension limits to show only the top 10 dimensions. Okay, so now it is in descending order. So now, yeah, so this symbol tells us it's a cyclic group. So on click of this, it's going to cycle, right? From a category, now it went to customer, it goes to shipper, it goes to supplier. So in whatever order it was defined, right, it's going to cycle through across. Or I can click on this small drop down and I can select any particular dimension which I want to. Okay, customer, supplier, or I can simply cycle through. Okay, so these are all the two field groups, drill down and cyclic groups. Hope we got some basic understanding of these two types. Please do let me know in the comment section for any clarification. Thanks for watching.